disease that often gets worse over time and is characterized by inflammation and severe limitation of airflow in and out of the lungs. Inside the lungs, the airways branch out into smaller and smaller tubes called bronchioles that are rich in blood supply. At the end of these tubes, inhaling causes each air sac to fill with air. Exhaling causes each air sac to deflate. In COPD, however, the airways become thick and inflamed, and they produce more mucus than usual. This mucus can clog the airways and makes it hard to breathe. In COPD, the walls of the air sacs in the lungs are